original plan wasn't actually engineering. I started college with a finance degree at Mississippi State. My plan was to buy businesses, flip them, and then sell them. Well, at the same time, I was rebuilding my dad's 1974 Dodge Dart, and the passion and innovation and skills that I had while doing that overhaul of the car, my parents saw in me, and they convinced me to take an intro to engineering class my freshman year. That class is where I found my passion and really set me on a new path. I've been at Kuraray America now for 11 years. I'm currently the manager of project engineering for the evals business unit. A big part of my role is overseeing all the capital projects and helping move ideas from concept to reality. Right now, I'm leading a development of a virtual reality digital twin at our facility. This is something entirely new for our industry. It allows for planning of turnarounds, training of operators, investigating incidents, and managing capital projects in a way that we just simply haven't done, and is going to end up being the future, I think, of engineering for industry. From what I've seen at conferences, no one else is really doing what we're doing with this digital twin, and I truly believe it's going to transform the plant's operation. What's kept me at Kuraray America over these years is the opportunities to grow, to build something meaningful. I've been able to take in challenges and come across different projects, really see my ideas go from concept to a reality. I also have had the freedom to learn and contribute, make an impact to what is, make my work rewarding. Looking ahead, I'm excited for the opportunity to keep transforming the future through continuous innovation and digitalization. Engineering is changing really quickly with technology and all, and being able to take those new ideas, apply the new tools, and then push the areas really where they've gone has motivated me. At Kuraray America, there's a real drive to do that, to stay courageous, keep improving, and to use technology to move our industry forward.